Plumber!
Did you just let yourself in?
Well, the door was open. I gotta fix the problem from the inside.
Well, since you're here, there's water under the sink if you can look at it.
This looks pretty serious. Let me make a phone call real quick. So it looks like it's just an angle stop underneath the sink that's leaking. Not too big a deal. What do you want me to do?
No. Milk her for everything she has. Sell her on the full repipe.
All right, I'll take care of it. So it looks like we're gonna have to do a full repipe here. You're looking at like 15,000.
What? No. I'm gonna call somebody I can trust.
It's just your supply line leaking. I could just tighten it and be done real quick.